Hello, I'm Dave Novak from the Weather Prediction Center, where we're closely monitoring dangerous Hurricane Florence. We're really concerned about this system. As you see over my shoulder, it is big, it is strong, and it's headed towards the Carolina coast. Of particular concern to this system is the fact that as it approaches the coast, it's expected to slow down and linger along the Carolina coast here for maybe a day before slowly moving inland. This brings a number of dangerous hazards. Obviously the wind, but most importantly, the storm surge, which is one of the deadliest hazards of hurricanes, and the inland rainfall associated with this event. These hazards are deadly. In fact, over half of hurricane deaths are associated with water, surge, and rainfall. And that is our major concern with Hurricane Florence. If you are in these areas of eastern North Carolina, eastern South Carolina, and you've been told to evacuate, please do not think you can ride this one out. That would be a deadly decision. Please listen to your local officials and heed their warnings. In other areas, if this is the time to prepare for these multiple hazards. You have a bit of time. We are expecting the tropical storm force winds to approach the coast Thursday morning, tomorrow morning, but that's not a whole lot of time. So please make your preparations today. Now let me turn to the inland rainfall threat with this system. In the dark purple here, we have worked with meteorologists across this region to refine these numbers, and confidence is building that over 2 feet of rainfall is expected in portions of southeast North Carolina, and we're watching whether or not that shifts into portions such as Myrtle Beach or the Wilmington area here. Regardless of the exact numbers, this amount of rainfall rivals state records. In other words, many of you familiar with Hurricane Floyd, devastating event, that had rainfall of about 2 feet. And we are forecasting that and perhaps even higher in these portions of eastern North Carolina. And again, we're watching as we refine these numbers whether that needs to adjust as well. We're also watching further areas inland. 6 to 10 inches of rainfall is, of course, nothing. It is a problem in these areas of North Carolina, and especially back here towards the terrain of the southern Appalachians. Again, water kills. In fact, 1 out of 4 deaths are associated with inland extreme rainfall with these systems. So if you're inland from the coast and thinking this one isn't about you, this one is about you in North Carolina and portions of South Carolina here. In fact, most of these deaths are in vehicles. And so if you're driving and you approach a flooded roadway, please turn around, don't drown. Again, most deaths are associated with vehicles. If you come across a flooded roadway, it only takes about this much of rushing water to start moving your vehicle. So do not attempt to cross those roadways. So as we think about this event, it's dangerous, it's hazardous. Please listen to your local officials. We're going to work here 24/7 around the clock monitoring this event in partnership with the National Hurricane Center, River Forecast Centers, and our local forecast offices to keep you informed. Please check back, but also please take this one seriously. It's very dangerous.